Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. In this video I will tell you how to fix Snapchat camera photo blur after capture of photo. So if you are getting this problem, I will tell you how you can fix the problem. I am facing the problem in my Snapchat app camera. How you can fix this problem I will tell you in today's video. Let's start this video. To fix this problem, what you need to do, I will tell you. I have facing this same problem. You need to go to your Snapchat app, and after opening your app you can see the camera section is here popping out. You can see the option of plus in the top right corner, so simply tap on the plus icon, and here you can see the several option in the my camera section. You need to scroll down here, and at the bottom you can see the option of focus highlight. So simply tap on this option, and after this your camera will enter into a focus mode, and desired photo you want to click, you can click, and the quality of the picture will be improved by this feature. I have tried this feature and I have faced the problem of camera blur or quality loss in my Snapchat camera. So this method helped me to fix the problem. Otherwise you can try to different mode, switch to different mode like grid mode, because sometimes in the normal mode your camera lagging the quality of the picture. So you can try that different mode, and after this, if you have done this feature, your problem does not got solved, then you need to go back from here and go to your Play Store or App Store in your device. In the App Store you can see the several types option. You need to search down here Snapchat app. So simply search down this app, and here is option of update. You need to update this app. After update this app you need to restart your device and then try to switch again. Your problem got resolved. Thank you guys.